Grab by Leopold.
Yeah, good work. Leopold, two different directions. He's so smooth.
Stafford calls for it, gets it, fires, he scores! He snuck it past Rolison off the far goal post.
Watch his stick at the tail end of the release of this shot. Pulls it in and kind of hooks it around Bergeron, the defenseman, and bewilders goaltender Rolison.
Yeah, that went off of Hedman's stick. Hedman was trying to fend off the play there. It went off his stick and up in the top corner, but that was all about Leopold. He just slithered his way in his zone there and held on to it.
Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's actually among the league leaders. But in stunning fashion, Buffalo has scored 4 straight in this contest. Their shot, they score! Over the shoulder of Rolison, Conley. And the Sabres celebrate another goal and lead it 6-3.
Good hustle. Again, draw forechecker. Way you go in transition the other way. And utilize the defenseman as a screen. Little bit on the short side. It's just one up and over top. Rolison, when he's spot on, gets that one. You can hear it going off the pipe. But good look from our Discover goal cam. Drop down, go high. Got a piece of it, but not enough. And yeah, they've been rattled ever since that goal by Leopold, and it's pouring on right now for the Buffalo Sabres.
Stafford has 2 goals, but maybe the biggest play of the game was the bump on Rolison on the shot by Leopold. Ruled a good goal, and Stafford completes the hat trick to make it 7-3 Buffalo.
What a game this guy's having. This is just a little too easy, I'm sure, from the Tampa side of things. Curl up top. No contest. Nobody's out there to contest the shot. Turn and rip it.
Stafford's coming off a 3-point game against Toronto the other night. Rolison's not getting a good look on these, and he's just not as sharp as he was earlier in the game, obviously. Doesn't look like much of a screen there. He got beat cleanly on the far side. You can see him looking down like, how the heck did that get through there? But Stafford just with the magic touch. 5th career hat trick.